Hello everyone. Creation, way of being awake to the world, inside and out. But before I take you on this journey, answer this. What is this? We all know it's a break. What else can it be? अब ये मत बोलना कि ये उठाकर मारने के भी इस्तेमाल हो सकता है. What else? Let me show you what a humble brick can be. This, and well, our pride, this. But क्या इस humble brick को पता है that through whole of this strenuous process, it is being creative? I guess not. Then let me ask you this. When you feel this, experience this, feel this, and well, har ghar ki kahani this, do you think you can be creative at these points of time in life? I guess not. Well, I would like you to think again. Let us meet some people who were. So this beautiful girl, at 18 years of age, Frida Kahlo, the very famous painter, met with a horrific accident, leaving her with spinal lifelong injuries. What she did with it? She converted that into the masterpiece Broken Column. And then, who doesn't know him? Vincent van Gogh, Starry Nights painter. He painted it from an asylum. And then him, Beethoven. जब सुनने की शक्ति चली गई, तब इन जर्मन म्यूजिशियन ने दिया हमें Ode to Joy. And then मिर्जा गालिब साहब, कौन नहीं जानता इनको? अपने पर्सनल एंड फाइनेंशियल लॉसेस में इन्होंने लिखी कुछ उम्दा पोएट्रीज एंड शायरी, जैसे वो हमारी फेवरेट वाली, हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश पे दम निकले, बहुत निकले मेरे अरमा, फिर भी कब निकले. दुनिया के एक कोने से फेमस पोएट सिल्विया प्लाथ कहती हैं, इज देयर नो वे आउट ऑफ माइंड? एंड ऑलमोस्ट अ सेंचुरी अपार्ट फ्रॉम आवर वेरी ओन लैंड, कबीर जी जैसे इस दोहे से उनका आंसर दे रहे हूं, माला फेरत जुग भया फिरा ना मन का फेर, कर का मन का डार दे मन का फेर. What do all of these examples point towards? That creativity is possible in any kind of circumstances. And that if you hold the right torch to your personal upheavals, you can mold them into something creative and beautiful. Well, this is something that I experienced very closely myself. So I was raising 2 toddlers, almost alone, doing a PhD, writing research papers, and writing the first draft of my book as an author, while undergoing back-to-back 5 surgeries. And then there came that point of time in my life when I couldn't see for almost a year. Believe me, मैंने अपनी जिंदगी की सबसे होपफुल पोएट्री उस टाइम में लिखी है. इनफैक्ट इमेजिनेशन में मुझे जितने ड्यूई रेड रोजेस और जितने गहरे लाल हरे रंग के पत्ते दिखते थे, मैंने एक्चुअल में ऐसे तो कभी देखे भी नहीं थे. तो हुआ ना ये मन का फेर. Something that helped me to sail through this period of darkness was creativity. और अब ये इंसिडेंट कौन नहीं जानता? दुखद दुर्घटना, 1967 Apollo 1 spacesuit caught fire of one of the astronauts. तब वो समय आया जब धागे पर टेफ्लॉन और ग्लास फाइबर की कोटिंग से उसे फायर प्रूफ बनाया गया. फिर इसी धागे को कुछ तोड़ा मरोड़ा और बन गई रस्सी. वो रस्सी जो दिखने में आम भले ही हो, बट एक नाव को तट पर बांधे रखती है. फिर आया वो समय जब हमने उसे थोड़ा सा वीव किया और बन गया कपड़ा. पर शुरुआत उसकी यहीं से हुई, एक हम्बल से धागे से. तो क्या ये मामूली धागा जानता था कि मेरी ये ट्विस्ट, नॉट्स, एक्सप्लोरेशंस के अंदर मेरी क्रिएटिव मोल्डिंग हो रही है? आई गेस नॉट. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm Dr. Sumant Sivaj with 17 years of experience in education, an author, a poet, And this is my closely lived truth about creativity. It has nothing to do with circumstances. That it is as much possible in chaos and uncertain times as in the most beautiful studios of the world. That storms sometimes push it more than peace. And also that pain only colors it more. As Rumi said, the place where there is a wound, that is the place where the light enters you. तो अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि क्रिएटिविटी किसी इंस्पिरेशन बोर्ड्स, कलर्ड पेन्स, सफ़ेद शीट्स और एसी कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम्स में बैठ के कैपेचिनो पर चर्चा करने का रिजल्ट है, तो ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। ये तो कहानी है इस हम्बल से थ्रेड से स्पेस सूट तक की और उस हम्बल सी ईंट से एक आर्किटेक्चरल मार्बल तक की, जिसके पड़ाव अब इतने भी आसान नहीं कि आप किसी को ये स्टोरी सुनाएं और वो बोरिंग लगे। वेल, क्रिएटिविटी इज समथिंग दैट मेक्स यू सेल थ्रू द लाइफ। इट्स जस्ट हाउ यू टेक इट। तो जब आप एक मेट्रो सीट पर अकेले घर जा रहे हो और कुछ सोचकर रो रहे हो, या फिर वो समय जब आप देखें कि 3 बज रहे हैं, मैं अभी भी ओवरथिंक कर रही हूँ, या फिर वो समय जब आप अपने कुछ डिसीजंस रिग्रेट करते हो, when you feel that your world is falling apart, well, congratulations, you're human. And so is validated all of your human experiences, which can be turned into something very creative and beautiful, and not only for yourself, something so useful for the society. Look at Jo Agrawal. Somebody, while dealing with her own depression, she made Wiser, the AI chatbot and mental health app, जिसने बाकियों को भी मदद की इस पीरियड में। तो हुआ ना ये मन का फेर, द क्रिएटिविटी। वेल, अब आप कहेंगे कि क्या ये पोएट, म्यूजिशियन और आर्टिस्ट तक लिमिटेड है? लेट मी टेल यू, इसका प्रोफेशन से नहीं, फ्यूल से लेना देना है। लेट मी टेल यू हाउ। तो अगर एक बच्चा दिन में 50 तरह के सवाल पूछता है, दैट क्यूरियोसिटी, दैट इज फ्यूल टू क्रिएटिविटी। दिवाली की रात पर पत्तों का महल बनाने के लिए आप एब्सर्ड लिमिट्स तक जाते हैं, दैट एब्सर्डिटी इज फ्यूल टू क्रिएटिविटी। जब एक ग्रैंड मदर अपने नाती पोतों को स्टोरी सुनाती हैं और मन में कुछ मुस्कुरा के उसका कंक्लूजन बदलती है, that moment of reflection she just had, that is fuel to creativity. And when a boy runs in mom's heel while being a toddler, suddenly feels the ache and realizes, oh, she might be running in those throughout the day. That moment of empathy, that is fuel to creativity. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is CARE summarized for you as fuel to creation in today's topic, care to creation. अब आप बोलेंगे, can it be learned? Larger question. Well, of course, yes. And I call it my magic create formula. C, catalyst. R, roots. E, earnest conviction. A, altered perspective. T, time inwards. And E, express and extend. And this is fun. Let me take you through it, through this. So the first part is catalyst. That spark which wakes up your imagination. Look at this now. क्या हुआ, मेरी फ्रेंड बाहर जा रही थी, नीचे कुछ पेपर और पेन भूल गई, तो उसकी बेटी ने ये किया. Don't tell me you bought this idea. Well, this is the work of first woman mathematician who won the Fields Medal. Maryam Mirza Khani, at the age of 37 years, an Iranian woman who used to draw, sketch, doodle on the floors of her office. उनकी 3 साल की बेटी तो उन्हें पेंटर समझती थी. तो उनके लिए कैटलिस्ट था विजुअल टू रीच टू हर कंक्लूजन्स. बट हमारे लिए कुछ भी हो सकता है. टेक्सचर, मोशन, साउंड में भी. साउंड. लेट्स ट्राई साउंड. लिसन टू दिस. What did you just feel? Curious with that baby laughter? Or pleasant with that instrumental sound on raindrops? This is creativity in real time. What is this catalyst doing to you? Waking up your brain and activating your Duragin thinking pathways, which is making you think what it is and what it can be. It can be a moment of poetry for some of us, a moment of sketch, or maybe a moment of a song. Let's move on to the second part of our formula, our roots. तो अगर आप प्लेन उड़ा रहे हैं और आपको पता ही नहीं कि उसके विंग्स कहाँ जा रहे हैं, तो आप एक ही बार उड़ान भर पाएंगे. It's very important that your roots are deeper, which will only happen if you learn. Learn by all means. Take books, life, failed experiments, burning down things, whatever it takes to learn. चलिए मानते हैं हमको एक शेफ बनना है. So today morning we wake up and we say that, okay, I want to be the most creative chef and let's name our dish today. Let's name it Spaghetti a la Mystery. I toss in some spaghetti, some chocolate sauce, a handful of chilies, and let's bring in some pineapple. We all like it. Voila! What we have is not a creative dish, my friends. It's a cry for help that no Michelin star can save us from. Because as a chef, I need to know my roots or fundamentals of the craft, which are the balance, the timing, the temperature, the salt, which flavors marry, and which file for divorce. Moving on to a third part of Create formula, which is E, earnest conviction. Something in your mind that says, a stubborn belief that says, yaar, impossible to lag raha hai. But hey, give me a minute. So let us say 80s में अगर हम अपनी मम्मी को बोलते that there would be a machine washing your dishes while you could binge watch the movies. She would have said, बेटा दिन में सपने देखना छोड़िए, बर्तन धो दीजिए. And if I would have told my dad that time कि आपकी ऑफिस मेल्स लिखने और रिपोर्ट्स बनाने के लिए there would be a software, so he'll say, हाँ बेटे वो तो चाय भी दे देगा, पर तुम पास पड़ा हुआ पेपर पेन मत पकड़ा देना. But somebody out in the world believe कि यार हो तो सकता है. And that is why, friends, today we are in the generation of dishwashers and artificial intelligence, because somebody believed that it can be possible. Let's move on to the next part of the formula. A, altered perspective. Drop your biases today, think differently. What happened? I gave a project to my students. I told them, collect all the trash in the campus. Next day, convert this for your 10 marks of evaluation to something very useful and meaningful. Trash had value. So creativity isn't about adding more. It is about seeing things differently. Move on to that time now when you have started seeing things differently to the next part, which says time inwards. Stop this outside noise of the world. Start listening to your own thoughts. This is the time to turn inwards. Meditate, journal, run, walk, take a cup of tea, whatever works for you. But stop listening to the noise outside. Because the world outside only gives you information. It is here, the world inside, that gives you ideas. And where are we reaching with this? The aha moment. The time when your brain just goes and says, hey, wait, this could actually work. And then we move on to our last part of the create magic, which is E, express it immediately. Painter, go grab a brush. Writer, grab your notebook and pen. Well, coders, gamers, you know what to grab. Whatever medium works for you. But just bring that aha moment of those intensively focused few minutes or seconds onto the paper for there the world to see your creative solution. And then what would happen with that? That would not only solve your problems, but problems of so many people around you. Now is the time to extend this. By which I mean that creativity isn't a trophy skill. Friends, it's a transferable skill. So let us make other people learn this. So from care as a means or a fuel to creation, to create as a process to do this, imagine we would be in a society soon where creation would be just a norm. And that is where we want to head towards. So why still create? Even if one person even if 1% found meaning in what you have made, your pain has reached its purpose. Because as they say, comfort builds walls, but discomfort builds worlds.